Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is basically me showing you how to withdraw on FundedNext. As you all know, I'm funded with this 5k account here, and I'm currently trading this 50k here, of which it's already in good profits. I'm just waiting to just hit like 4% or 3% on the account. I'm already in a trade on NZDK, of which is in profit. If it hits TP, then I'll be good to go on to phase 2, then get funded with the 50k. But like so far, we're still milking on the 5k, and let's just do a payout just because this is like our payout day. That's our payout day today. So as you can see here, the withdrawable profit is like 214 plus my refund, just because I had to make like 3 payouts for me to get the refund. So they use Rise, USDT and USDC, and you can just click on payout. Then as you can see right here, these are the payouts that I am expecting. The first one is like the $45, of which it's the initial fee that I paid on the account, and the other amount is on this 169. It's like for the 4% that I made last week, guys. Now, so the payout option, then you just click here, and then as you can see, select payment option. You can just click USDT, just because I use USDT most of the time, and TRC20. Then you add your address just like that, then you click submit and you acknowledge, then you proceed just like that, and you just wait till you get a confirmation or an OTP on your phone, guys. Now, so let me just check over my phone, get the OTP, and click next or proceed. So now I just got the OTP. So you just put it in around here, you get it from your email, then you just put it in. Then you confirm, and just like that you are done, guys, and then your payout is successful, and then it's pending. And then like I said, you just wait for, I think it's less than 24 hours. Then after 24 hours you get like an additional 1k. That is if like they do not meet like the rules that they made, whereby you just wait 24 hours. So if you want to copy yourself an account with FundedNext, make sure that you use the link in the description below. And I didn't forget the thingy, I didn't forget like the giveaway that I was supposed to make. And these are the payouts so far that I made on this 5k account. This is like a refund, like I said, and then this is the profit share from the 4% that I made last week. So yeah guys, see you on another video.